Hey man, hello. I have not given you permission to make photos of me. Delete them.
Ever wondered if you can legally take photos of strangers in the UK? Then watch this video until the end. Maybe you're a street photographer, a journalist, or just someone who enjoys capturing life as it happens. Well, let's clear up the rules and make sure you know where you stand. When it comes to photography in public spaces, there's always been a lot of interest and confusion surrounding the legalities involved in taking photos of strangers on UK streets. Many photographers are unsure about their rights and what they can and can't do. It's not hard to find stories of photographers getting stopped by the police or security guards, or even having their equipment confiscated. A lot of this uncertainty stems from the fact that street photography often involves taking pictures of people without their consent, which can be a legal minefield. The short answer, yes, you can take photos of people in public spaces without their permission. In the UK, there's no general law that stops you from photographing people in public places, whether it's a street, park, or a market. If someone is out in the open where there is no expectation of privacy, you're legally allowed to take their picture. While you do have the right to take photos in public, there are some important exceptions to be aware of. If you repeatedly photograph someone in a way that causes them distress, you could be violating the Protection from Harassment Act 1997. A one-off photo, usually fine. Constantly following someone with a camera, not fine. If you're in a shopping mall, a restaurant, or a private event, the owner has the right to set rules. If they ask you to stop taking photos, you must comply or risk being removed. Children in sensitive situations. There's no outright law against photographing children in public, but doing so in a way that's intrusive or inappropriate could land you in trouble. Schools, hospitals, and other sensitive locations often have their own restrictions, terrorism and security concerns. The Terrorism Act 2000 allows police to question you if they suspect your photography is being used for unlawful purposes, like gathering intelligence on sensitive sites, while casual street photography is not illegal. Taking pictures of police officers, military sites, or transport hubs might raise suspicions. A common question. Can anyone demand you delete a photo?
Hey man, hey. Can you delete?
Generally, no. If you take a photo legally, then nobody, not even a policeman, can make you delete the photo without a court order. However, if law enforcement believes your images contain sensitive material, they may temporarily seize your camera under specific legal conditions. So, what's the most critical insight or legal guideline that photographers should keep in mind? Well, it all comes down to balance. As a photographer, you have the right to express yourself, but you also have a responsibility to respect people's privacy and individual rights. This means being mindful of your surroundings and being aware of how your actions might impact others. It's not about avoiding taking photos of people altogether, but about being considerate and respectful when doing so. Be aware of people's reactions. If someone looks uncomfortable, consider not taking the shot. Smile and engage. A friendly approach can go a long way in making people feel at ease. Know your rights, but don't escalate situations. If someone confronts you, explain your rights calmly rather than arguing. Ask permission when possible. While not legally required, it's a good practice, especially in close-up portraits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more legal tips and tricks. And let us know in the comments if you had an experience where someone challenged your right to take a photo.